guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Kristen from Chrissymmetry. I'm so glad that you were able to join me today. So today I really had to get the energy that I needed to come on here, because sometimes, you know, like this weather has been rainy and stuff, and sometimes I feel like that it does affect me. I don't know if it affects you, but it does affect me. But I pushed past the rain and the tired feeling that I had to give you guys this video. So these are my 10 fitness hacks to motivate you to get moving. All right, so hack number 1, numero uno. I'm bilingual, did you know that? Get your workout clothes ready the night before, right? So lay it out, plan your clothes. If you like to match them up or whatever, you got a cute little, you know, top bra, sports bra with your nice leggings and your sneakers. Get it all out, set it aside, you know, put it somewhere where you're going to obviously remember it, right? Or if you're super like really lacking motivation, put your workout clothes on and go to bed. And then you wake up in the morning and you're already clothed. All you have to do is brush your teeth and go work out, right? So that way there's really no excuse. Put the sneakers by the bed, you have your workout clothes on, I'm ready to go to the gym or go to the garage or wherever you're working out or going home, okay? So there's no excuse. Hack number 2, numero dos. Yes, schedule your workout. So how do you schedule your workout? You basically decide when you're gonna work out. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Tuesdays and Thursdays. Like, choose when you're gonna do it. Because honestly, that's the only way to stick to the routine, right? So schedule your workout, decide which day you're gonna do, and I'm reading in my paper, by the way, and how long you're gonna do it. So on Monday, Wednesday, or Friday, I'm gonna work out for 30 minutes. Maybe you're running, or maybe you are going for a walk, or you're lifting weights. I'm not sure what your workout routine is. However, you want to make sure that you schedule it and you're committed to that workout time. All right, hack number 3. Choose the HIIT, high intensity interval training. So when you do the HIIT workout, you are obviously maximizing your workout. So I don't like to work out for a long time. So I don't want to be in the gym for hours or anything like that. So whatever I can do to maximize my time and get the most out of it, I'm doing that. So the HIIT exercises, that means you're going hard for like 1 minute and then you rest for 30 seconds. So you can choose it. I started this jump rope challenge or jump rope HIIT. So basically I jump rope for 1 minute and then I squat, do 20 squats, and then I jump rope for another minute, and then I'll do 20 lunges. So that's my rest time. So I go through that whole list. It's about, so I'm jumping 7 times and I'm doing an exercise after each one. So, and then I rest for 2 minutes. And typically I'm worn out after that. I am working my way up to be able to do that 2 times, because then I really would like maximize and really will see some, you know, benefits from that. So if you don't know where to get HIIT exercises, you can always go on YouTube, you can go on Google, Pinterest. Pinterest is always fun. They have a ton of them on there. So just hit HIIT and it's really simple. Okay, so you should try it. Hack number 4, quattro, is audio motivation. What's audio motivation? What is that? Basically, what you're listening to, what you're gonna hear, what's your music gonna be like. So when I run, I actually like to listen to podcasts. So the podcast or what's it called, audiobooks or something like that, but podcasts. I usually listen to Ed Milet because he always has an inspirational or motivational person he's interviewing. So I like to listen in and hear the questions that he asked, or like how the people became who they are, right? Because they had to start from somewhere. So I usually listen to that, and it's kind of set on the time that I can complete the whole run walk scenario. So 30, 35, 40 minutes or so. Or recently I've been getting into the whole Megan Thee Stallion. So that Savage song brings out the beast in me. So I'm a savage. Yeah, that song, I love that song. So I've been listening to that music. I guess that's trap, I'm not sure. But anyway, rap, I'm not sure. Hip hop, but those are all options. So whatever your music motivation is, use it. Or if you like podcasts, if you like interview style types of things, use that. But just kind of figure it out, and definitely, set the time so that it doesn't run out, basically, right? So if you're gonna work out for 45 minutes, make sure your set is for 45 minutes. All right, so then hack number 5, single. So it's create a distraction. So again, a lot of times with running, it's like, is it done yet? Like, am I over it? What, so that's why I have to listen to those podcasts, because I really start to visualize what they're like, where they are, what they look like, and all that, so that's like a distraction for me. Some people might want to like watch TV or something, and you don't feel like you're working out, right? So create some type of a distraction so that it takes your mind off of the workout and the work you're putting into it. Hack number 6 is create a workout routine. So so if you decide that I'm going to work out Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, what are you going to be working out on those days, right? So I like to do upper body one day, lower body another day, core, and then full body. You can do it like that, or I heard someone use a push-pull, so on my pushing motion muscles and on my pulling motion muscles, and they'll split those days up. Just choose which works for you. Or if you're going to do yoga, or if you're going to do, there's so much, Pilates. I've tried Pilates. That was really fun. Bar is the next thing I'm going to try to get lean muscles. So just decide the type of workout, how often again, and what body part you're going to work. All right, hack number 7, be creative. So obviously we were in quarantine, self-isolation, social distancing. I don't think that some gyms might be open now, so you can go back to the gym. However, if you're still at home, you need to kind of figure out like, well, what am I doing with, my workout equipment? I don't have any. So I love using the bands. I think you saw it on my thumbnail, those pink bands. They come in 4 different strengths. So it just depends on what type of exercise you're doing how you use it. But I mean, I've used it for like bicep curls, lat pull downs. I've used it for a lot of different things. So it's really, really helpful. It works, I promise. Or you can use water jugs, gallon of water, pick them up. Maybe that's probably about 8. I think it was 8. I don't think about 8 pounds. I should actually weigh it. I haven't tried to weigh it to find out how much it really weighs, but water jugs can be kind of heavy after a while. Or grab a book bag, put a bunch of old magazines in there, and then use that as your weight. So again, no excuses. Be creative. Also, you can do a Tabata class. I tried Superhero Fitness is someone that I watch, and she has a great channel where she, has a lot of dancing. So guys, I can't dance, by the way. I am stiff as I don't even know what to compare that to, but I'm very like, I want to be able to move my body like freely, but it just doesn't do it right now. So I do my best in that Tabata class, or like I said, or Soka or Zumba. So be creative, try things out. There's all types of stuff on the internet. So again, there's like no reason why we can't do it. All right, so hack number 8, progress over perfection. Okay, so take baby steps. Decide what you're going to do, and then when you're going to do it, so plan it. And once you start, you don't stop. So like if you say, I'm sorry, did that make sense? Anyway, so progress over perfection. So basically, if you're saying, I don't really want to work out today, but let me go ahead and put on my shoes and let me see how I feel. And let me go at least attempt it. So I'm saying give yourself that progress. At least you got off the couch, you did get your stuff, and you did attempt to do it. Whether or not you actually did it is another day, another time. So I'm not always extremely motivated every morning to go work out. And that's just reality, you know, but there are things throughout my day that I might need to do in order to be active, you know, so I can't sit on the couch all day, you know. So that's just like small steps. At least progress, you know, is better than perfection, having to get it perfectly right at that time. All right, hack number 9. I don't even know. Ocho Cinco? No, anyway, hack number 9, get a partner, get a workout partner, guys. Find someone that's maybe more motivating than you or motivated than you to do it, and make sure that they hold you accountable, right? Get an accountability partner. You don't have to do it alone. Even again with the social distancing, you don't have a workout partner you can go to the gym with, but you can do it on Zoom, or you can do something like that. So someone who's gonna say, hey, are we working out today, girl? Let's go, let's get it. All right, and hack number 10 is to hydrate. Drink lots of water, okay? Lots of water. You technically should be drinking half of your body weight in ounces, right? So I need to be drinking at least 100 ounces of water in order to really stay balanced and hydrated. Some people hate water. So my suggestion is to maybe infuse it. So maybe you get some mint and lemon and cucumber, and you can put it in a jug and, you know, have it infused that way. They have infused water bottles where you could put it in a little tube in the middle and it stays there all day, and then you refill your water. Whatever the case, try not to like drink like the Gatorade and all the things that are heavy laden with sugar, even though they help with electrolytes, but you can, you know, just don't do it. It's just stay away from it. It's not gonna help you. So yeah, hydrate. If you don't like, you know, regular plain water, definitely put lemon in it, lime, you know, help to alkaline, see, I can't say that word, but you know what I'm trying to say. Helping you to be less acidic, right? Because those things help to bring your pH level down and to be a neutral pH. I'm not gonna get too deep into that. But anyway, so those are my 10 hacks to get you motivated to moving your body. So I hope they helped you. I hope, you know, you can use them and you can decide that today is the day that I'm going to get out there and do something. I'm gonna move my body. Just be active, guys. Just start somewhere. That's all I'm just really suggesting and urging you, especially again, maybe you're excited now because quarantine is like over and things seem like they're back to normal. But there could be a lull that happens again and you're not motivated. So these hacks will help you to stay in the game. So I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Until we meet again, I almost forgot. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below. I mean, if you liked it, you know, you don't have to like it, it's okay. But if, you know, you found value in the video and you want to hear more videos, let me know the kind of things you want to hear from me, and I am here. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye.